Hi everyone, good day and welcome back to the tag Waray-waray lesson. Today, we'll discuss the 3 basic meals in Waray-waray with examples. Let's get started. Number 1, pamahaw. This means breakfast. Example 1, Budoy, iday, pamahaw na kamo. In English, my children, it's time for breakfast. Example number 2, nakapamahaw na bahira? In English, have they eaten breakfast yet? Number 2, paniudto. This means lunch. Example 1, alas 12 na, paniudto na kamo. In English, it's 12 o'clock. Go eat your lunch. Example number 2, tawagan na hira, sig nga maniniudto na. In English, call them. Tell them it's time for lunch. Number 3, pangiklop. This means dinner or supper. Example 1, hala, gabi na nga yan, bugaay magutom na, pangiklop na kita. In English, wow, it's evening already, that's why I'm hungry, let's eat dinner. Example 2, pasensya na, waray kami pangiklopon niya na. In English, sorry, we don't have anything for dinner tonight. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned that 3 basic meals in Waray-waray. Thank you for watching the tag Waray-waray lesson.